Airborne radar coverage would improve North Korea's situational awareness and potentially enhance its air defense network. Analysts have raised questions regarding possible foreign involvement in the modification process. Satellite imagery from late 2023 revealed structural changes that resemble airborne early warning modifications observed in Russian and Chinese aircraft. No conclusive evidence exists to confirm Russian assistance, but reports indicate increasing military cooperation between North Korea and Russia. North Korea's airborne early warning initiative aligns with its broader intelligence-gathering objectives, which include increased investments in space-based reconnaissance through satellite deployments.